Are you wondering if these grip strength trainers are actually any good if you maybe have some hand or maybe elbow problems or any stuff like that? So yep, I can actually highly suggest these tools, and they're probably the most effective tools if you basically have some hand problems that would actually benefit from basic safe exercise. So personally, why I got it myself, so I actually have a bit of tremble in my hands. You probably can't see it at the moment because yeah, I actually had it much worse before I actually got it. So again, yeah, basically my hands were simply shaking for no reason a bit. So if you looked up close essentially, so what I did was I was simply like using this tool here, basically exercising my hands in various different ways just to get more action in them. I have no idea why I have that stuff, but yeah, this seems to also help that essentially a bit. So as you see, you can actually change very easily resistance of it as well. So just do whatever you need, so what you can actually handle. So again, if you basically have very weak hands, so again you can drop it just to pretty much like 0 here, and again this isn't very much action essentially. So again, just to get your hands moving, your fingers moving and stuff like that. Also, see, you can also like very easily flip it over, and this actually will work on different parts of your other hand. So again, do this, that's basically, and also you can actually train maybe, for example, 2 fingers same time as well, as you see. So again, only the specific parts maybe you need. Again, if you flip it over, you can also train these 2 fingers. Actually, highly suggest you to train these because these often, yeah, have the most problems essentially for a lot of people, as they obviously aren't that strong, but you can actually train these up fairly well with this tool here. Also, this kind of motion also we can train a bit as well. So again, simply adjust the tension, whatever you need. Simply start with something very low that you can handle. Also, after using this tool, maybe simply wait maybe like 2 days and see basically how your hand actually feels before to attempt basically do it more essentially. Because for example, if you set the weight too crazy basically on this one, it might actually cause you more problems essentially. So again, if you aren't strong man, don't actually try to force yourself if you actually have some hand problems. So just warning you, so use common sense really, because yeah, the strength you can actually get from this thing is absolutely insane. So we can get it up to 100 kilos essentially. So even if I set it maybe 80 or 90 kilos, again, I have actually fairly strong grip, but yeah, I can barely do one basically. So if I set it to the maximum really, you can do some heavy duty training with this tool. So again, it's pretty much good for anyone. So no matter what kind of stuff you actually want to use it for. Also, I got these kind of finger grippers here as well. So these can actually help in a bit different way as well. So for example, let's see if you put it on. So for example, let me show you what you can do with these things. So again, these can train your fingers essentially as well, finger strength more. So you can simply do these extensions here, hold for a bit. And again, simply repeat this. But again, so I think you actually need to combine both these tools together, because with this tool, we actually can't do these kind of stretches. So again, they simply work on different parts of your arm, basically. So again, if you have, I really have no idea what kind of problems you're suffering from, but yeah, let's see, we can do this kind of motion here. And again, also seems to actually help for me. Also, by the way, these are mega cheap as well. So personally, I got mine from AliExpress. For this one, I pay literally like $1. For this one, like $3. So I'll leave the discount links where you can get these for the cheapest price possible. So again, for this one, if you follow the links, actually, if you are like a new user on AliExpress, this only costs like $1. So again, this adjustable one exactly, which I have here. If you are like existing user, it will be maybe like $3. So simply check out those links. Again, this one is only like $1 for this price, really. Nothing to lose, really. Okay, good luck.